Hi there, Robin here, and in this video we're going to be talking about this microphone right here, which is from Marantz, called the MPM-4000u. It's a podcasting microphone. It's engineered for, of course, podcasting, live streaming. Maybe you're in a chat room with your clients. Maybe it's just for recording, and that's okay. That's what this guy's going to do for you. Now, there's lots of companies doing this configuration out there right now. It has a headphone jack at the bottom, USB-C plug at the bottom, plugs right into your computer. Nothing to worry about. The audio interface is built right into this guy right here. The important thing about the Marantz Professional is the quality of it. It is an amazing piece of hardware. Well crafted, well made. Everything, including the stand that comes included with the adapter plate and the microphone, really nice. Not a plastic body, it's all metal. Works out really well. A solid microphone. Condenser, of course, so this way we can speak up to 8 to 12 inches away from it and still have a really detailed sound in the system. The other advantages when you're buying a big brand like Marantz is going to be the software options with it. You're going to get the opportunity to have the MPC Beats and the Air with 20 plus Air plugins, all part of the package. So that's a big bonus when it comes to buying a brand like Marantz Professional. The icing on the cake with the actual Marantz is that the value is in the price. When you look at it and compare it against other brands, you're not going to find a nice big brand name that you feel comfortable buying anywhere close to this price point. To cover the overall features, the top button is a mute button, which allows you to directly mute the microphone. So if you're using it for meetings or anything like that, of course you can hit this instead of the software if you choose. Gain control, and then we have volume control, which is really nice because now you can plug your headphones in, listen to it directly, especially if you're gaming with this unit here. You want to have those kind of controls to it. And with the adapting bracket that comes included with the unit, it allows you to attach to any mic stand you may have. For the mic stand that comes included in the unit, it's adjustable in height to a degree. I think it's about maybe a 3-inch adjustment on it, top and down. Very big leg span on it. Where a lot of these stands are more just for display purposes, this is a fully functioning, ready-to-use product. And that's all what's in the box. Now, the cable that comes included is amazing. I have that plugged in right now, and I have to say it's at least 6 to 7 feet long. And that's really nice. And the little details, right angle on the actual connector right here. For some actual detailed specs on it, for the numbers, we'll say, a 14 millimeter condenser microphone. So you'll see these microphones go anywhere from 10 all the way to 20, and there'll probably be some smaller or even larger ones than that, but 14, and it seems to do a job really well. Cardio pattern, so this way it does focus 80% of the sound all in the front and only captures about 20% off the back. It can handle an SPL rating of 130 dBs, again at 1 kilohertz. It operates at a bit rate of 16 bits, which is kind of great because that's like twice as good as CD, but it comes out a lot when it comes to detail for the recording on your software. And for speed, it operates at 14 kilohertz, so 14.1 to 14 kilohertz, and that's going to be pretty much your standard package. So again, CD quality for recording off of this unit here. So enough of talking on the actual microphone I'm talking on now. Well, let's try this actual microphone here and see how it actually performs. Now again, I'm currently using the M Audio package, the Studio Pro from M Audio, and that means I'm talking on basically the MPM-4000 from Marantz because their parent company is the same and they do share a lot of the same overall technology. For the audio interface that I'm currently using, that is a 192/4 from M Audio, and I'm doing this all on Audacity. So what we'll do now is we're going to keep the Audacity and we're going to switch from the actual M Audio to the Marantz Professional and see how that sounds. So here we go. This is the actual MPM-4000u being used in a recording. So this is different than what I had before. This is what I was using originally, which is up here, the M Audio. And we're going to put that off a little bit here. This way it's not in the camera shot anymore. And I'm recording directly on this. I only have it set at about 40% when it comes to the gain. And of course, I don't have any headphones plugged in, so I'm not wearing that right now. But this is exactly what you're going to get out of it. Now, I'm going to use this part here as a straight audio setting, which is really nice because it does capture everything in detail. Now, I will add at this point, I will smooth it out by adding noise reduction to it. So here we are with some noise reduction. I've just filtered that on top of this portion of the video only, which is normal because on this microphone here, I'm going to do two things. I'm going to do an amplification of it. So I'm trying to achieve it minus 2 dB off the top. And then I'm going to run an actual noise reduction on it afterwards. That's up to you. Again, that's something I just use because I use Audacity here and I just find it quiets down the background noise. It also gives a good balanced volume level, so this way I can use it for my actual hit filmmaker software that I use. But outside of that, the microphone's really good. If I didn't have this and I was just setting myself up and I was getting started, there's nothing wrong with having this microphone. And this is probably not just a starter microphone. You could probably have this for a while. Now, it doesn't include any of the pop filter sponge with it. You might get yourself pop filter if you're going to use it for any really close up hard contact. If you're using for singing, you definitely want to drop a pop filter in front of it. But outside of that, I think it's great. Everything they actually say buy this microphone for is really a great reason to buy the microphone. Value, performance, brand recognition. I mean, you can't go wrong with Marantz Professional. And again, they're not just slapping their name on something. This microphone really sounds good. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope that helped you in your buying decision today. Maybe we'll see you in the next video. I'd like to say thanks for watching. Bye for now.